Hi everyone, this is Ms. Granger. In this video we're going to go over the introduction to Unit 1, Lesson 1, what is ethnic studies? Remember that you will take notes and follow along with me as we go through the lesson. Let's get started. So our statement of inquiry, or our central idea of this unit, is the following. Using moral reasoning and ethical judgment, one can positively interact and communicate with people with different ideologies. Let's go ahead and write first what you think this statement means. Looking back at the statement of inquiry, what is your idea of what that's actually talking about? And you'll write it here in this box in your own words. Pause the video and do that now. So let's go ahead and dive into what some of these words actually mean in the keywords and practice. So let's go ahead and fill in our definitions. We have four main words that we want to focus on in this intro lesson. The first one is morals. So when we talk about morals, we're talking about our personal view of right or wrong in behaviors. What do we personally think about a particular topic? This is similar to our second word, which is ethics or ethical. Ethical is a collective moral approval or disapproval. So collective meaning as a whole group of people or as a group, what do we think is moral? So when we say just moral, we're talking about a personal view. And when we say ethical, we're kind of talking more about a collective or group. Next, let's talk about the word interact. When we interact with others, we are talking or doing things with other people. Our last word is ideologies. And this means a manner of thinking that is characteristic of an individual group or culture. So now that we've got our four definitions, let's jump down to the drawing a picture that represents the word. So similar to how we have done before, you're going to draw a picture of what each word means to you in the box below it. Pause the video and do that now. Next, we're going to jump to the practice. Some of these will be questions and some of these will be fill in the blank. So I'll read through all of them. When we're looking at morals, let's think about this. Students have a moral responsibility to, and what do you think goes in this blank for you? Remember, moral is a personal view of right and wrong. So what kind of concept could fill in this blank? Pause and do that now. Next is ethical. So here's a question. If someone accidentally hits another car in the parking lot, what might be the ethical thing to do? Kind of collectively as a society, we kind of agree to this, the right thing. Go ahead and respond to that question here. Next is interact. Who is someone that you interact with outside of the classroom? Any person that you interact with, you can list them here. Last one is ideologies. So many religions have different ideologies or manners of thinking. List 3 religions that you know of. So pause the video and make sure you've completed all of these practice now. Alright, let's discuss our learner profile focus for this unit. We're really focusing on being communicators. When we're communicators, we understand and express ideas and information confidently and creatively in more than one language. Think of your world language situation, what other language you're using. We work effectively and willingly collaborate. Alright, let's turn to the other side of your paper and just look through briefly the inquiry questions. Remember, we're just thinking about these as we go through the unit. So, how can you effectively communicate with others? There's ways of doing it well and ways of doing it badly. So what is an effective way to communicate with other people? Also, why is it important to exercise ethical judgment? Why does it even matter? Finally, is it important to practice moral reasoning when no one is looking? Finally, our big objective for this unit is the following. Students will demonstrate knowledge and understanding of subject-specific content and concepts through developed descriptions, explanations, and examples by drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations. That's our big ATL skill for the unit. Great job, we're done with this lesson. Be sure to ask your teacher if you need any help.